You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Spanish town name, pronunciation on the Costa del Sol. More names of famous places in Spain, stay tuned. In Spanish pronunciation, Fuengirola, Fuengirola. The stress is on the ro syllable. Now you can replace the h sound from Spanish, if you cannot pronounce it, with an h sound from English, and say it as Fuengirola, 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 or in Spanish again, Fuengirola. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.